Alright guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I just want to say a huge thanks to Fahren for sending me their 9005 and 9006 LED conversion bulbs. These are direct replacements for your headlight bulbs. Mine specifically are 9005 and 9006. Let's open up the box and take a look. Also, this is the Forscher line of bulbs. Got a little instruction booklet. Says if you need CAN bus modules, you can also order that from Fahren. Let's look what's in here. A program for some free bulbs, loyalty program. User manual. Shows you how to install it in different vehicles. And then some troubleshooting as well. It also comes with a little Allen key. So let's take a look at the bulbs. Very nice looking bulb. And the Allen key here is so you can adjust, loosen this off, and you should be able to adjust where this sits. Or sometimes you have to put the retainer in first to the headlight and then the bulb in. So this one is the 9005. Very nice aluminum body, anodized. Fan for cooling. Here's the 9006. Same thing. Nice little fan. So Fahren says these are 600% brighter, 22,000 lumens, and they shouldn't need any. They'll install directly like a regular bulb. So we're going to install these in my Jeep, and then we're going to take a night drive and see how they work. Okay, I got the low beam in. You can see it's nice 6000K color. Now I'm going to put the high beam in, 9005. Let's see, it just goes right in. Put it in. Just push it in, twist it like a normal halogen bulb. There you go, it's in. Just gotta plug in the connector. Yeah, these lights are very bright and like perfect white color. So 6500K color. You can see no lights on the dash, so no CAN bus errors at all, which is awesome. High beams on, high beams off. Okay, let's go find a really dark dirt road and see how they perform. Left are all great on the highway. You can see it lights up the signs very nicely as well. Okay, on a dirt road, just pull over to the side. Gonna turn the low beams on. got the low beams. Very good distance. Now for the high beams. Oh yeah. Look how far you can see. High beams off. High beams on. Such a good beam pattern. We're going around a corner here and it lights it up very nicely. Very good lights. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I highly recommend these Fahren LED lights. I'm going to post a link down below for a discount code for you guys, so if you decide to order, you'll get a hefty discount. And as always guys, thanks for watching.